Hello and welcome to the second video of PICO CTF challenges. And in this video, we will solve Python Wrangling, the second challenge in general category. So let's see what the challenge is about. Let's open the challenge and read it out. Python scripts are invoked kind of like programs in terminal. Can you run this Python script using this password to get the flag? So we have three files: a Python script, a password, and a flag, I believe, which we have to decrypt using this Python script. And we have a couple of hints here. We have to use Python command to execute it. So let's go to our folder on the desktop, cd desktop, and picoCTF. And because we have to download three files, so what we can do is we can create a folder inside it so that we can download all these three files in the same folder. So let's make directory and name the directory as pw short file, right? Let's cd pw and download these three files. So this Python script, so let's download inside this directory pw this password, and it is also downloaded, and the flag is also downloaded. So let's go back to our terminal and do ls. So we have the Python script, flag, and pw.txt. So let's try to execute the Python script. To make it executable, let's do chmod +x and .py. Now it is executable. So what you can do is you can try executing. So let's execute by using the Python and in .py. Okay, and we have two tags -e -d and the file. Okay, so can we try checking help command? Okay, so using -h tag, we have opened a help tag to decrypt a file named poll.txt. Okay, so we have to enter the script. -d is the file that we have to decrypt, right? I believe it is right. Now, let's see, we have an encrypted file. Let's see what this pw.txt has. So cat pw.txt. So this is some kind of password. So let's try using it as it is first, and then we'll see how it goes. So as per the instructions, we have to use Python Python and .py and -d, the file that we have to decrypt, and the file that we have to decrypt is flag file. Now hit enter. It is asking for password. Give the password from the password text file and hit enter. Okay, it worked fine. So we have the picoCTF flag over here. Let's copy it and paste it over here and submit the flag, and done. It is solved now. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.